Okay, then I'm going to go to my FMOD events. And then, so for this, I need to attach it to my character here. So the character is actually one of the cameras. So I go to camera, then I go to FlyingRigidBodyFPSController, click on that, look at it in my inspector. So if there isn't already an FMOD listener, you want to add that as a component here. And then I'm going to go to add component, and this time I'm going to add a script to this. And then that script that I had you bring in, that footsteps, let's click on that. And then go to the event path. And I don't have a search thing for this. So one thing that I could do, a little trick, is I can go to my FMOD events, go to footsteps wood, and then down here at the bottom of the inspector for this, it shows me where this is. And over on the right side, I can copy it, go back to my inspector. On a Mac, it would be Command V to paste it. On a PC, Control V if you haven't seen that. Then I'll paste it where the event path is, and then I'll play it, see what happens. And then there it is. I have footsteps.